Video games have come a long way since the simple pixelated graphics of Pong in the 1970s. What started as a basic form of entertainment has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry that shapes our culture and technology. From the 8-bit adventures of the early consoles to the immersive worlds of virtual reality, each era of gaming has introduced groundbreaking innovations that have captivated players of all ages. This journey through the history of video games is not just a nostalgic trip down memory lane. It's an exploration of how gaming has influenced social interactions, storytelling, and even technological advancements. As we delve into this fascinating evolution, we'll uncover the milestones that have defined the gaming landscape and discuss the profound impact video games have had on our society. So grab your controllers and get ready to relive the moments that have made gaming a beloved pastime for millions around the globe. The origins of video games can be traced back to the early 1970s, with the creation of Pong, a simple yet revolutionary arcade game developed by Atari co-founder Nolan Bushnell. Pong's success marked a pivotal moment in the gaming industry, proving that video games could be a profitable venture and paving the way for future innovations. Key figures like Ralph H. Baer, often referred to as the father of video games, contributed significantly to the early landscape with his development of the Magnavox Odyssey, the first home video game console. Companies like Atari and Magnavox were instrumental in popularizing gaming, setting the stage for a burgeoning industry. These early games not only entertained but also laid the groundwork for the complex narratives, graphics, and technologies we see today. The impact of these innovations continues to resonate, influencing how we interact with digital entertainment in our daily lives. The late 1970s and early 1980s marked a vibrant era known as the golden age of arcade games, where titles like Space Invaders and Pac-Man became cultural icons. Space Invaders, released in 1978, introduced players to thrilling gameplay and high-score competition, igniting a gaming frenzy. Pac-Man followed in 1980, captivating audiences with its unique maze chase mechanics and charming character design. Leading to a massive social phenomenon, arcades became social hubs where friends gathered to compete, share strategies, and enjoy a sense of community. This era also saw significant technological advancements, such as improved graphics, sound effects, and the introduction of microprocessors, which enhanced gameplay experiences and allowed for more complex game designs. The impact of arcade gaming extended beyond entertainment, influencing fashion, music, and even the rise of competitive gaming, setting the stage for the future of the gaming industry. The transition from arcade gaming to home consoles in the late 1970s and early 1980s marked a significant shift in the gaming landscape. The introduction of systems like the Atari 2600 in 1977 brought gaming into living rooms, making it more accessible to a wider audience. This shift allowed players to enjoy their favorite games anytime, fostering a new culture of gaming that emphasized family and social interaction at home. The Nintendo Entertainment System, NES, launched in 1985, further revolutionized the industry with its innovative design and robust library of games. Titles like Super Mario Bros. Not only defined this era, but also set new standards for gameplay, storytelling, and character development. The success of home consoles transformed gaming into a mainstream pastime, paving the way for future innovations and solidifying video games as a significant part of popular culture. This era laid the groundwork for the diverse gaming experiences we enjoy today. The shift towards 3D graphics in the mid-1990s marked a transformative period in gaming, largely driven by the release of the PlayStation and Nintendo 64. These consoles introduced players to a new dimension of immersive gameplay, allowing for expansive worlds and intricate designs. Groundbreaking titles like Doom revolutionized the first-person shooter genre, showcasing the potential of 3D environments and fast-paced action. Meanwhile, Final Fantasy VII brought cinematic storytelling to the forefront, combining stunning visuals with deep narratives that captivated players. The introduction of 3D technology not only enhanced player experiences, but also expanded the possibilities for game design, enabling developers to create rich, interactive worlds. This evolution in graphics and gameplay mechanics fundamentally changed how stories were told in games, allowing for more complex character development and emotional engagement. The rise of 3D gaming set the stage for the future of the industry, influencing countless titles and genres that followed. The emergence of online gaming in the late 1990s and early 2000s revolutionized the gaming landscape, particularly with the rise of PC gaming and iconic titles like World of Warcraft. This massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, not only captivated millions with its expansive world and intricate lore, but also fostered vibrant online communities where players could connect, collaborate, and compete. The internet transformed gaming culture, enabling players from around the globe to interact in real time, share experiences, and form lasting friendships. This connectivity laid the groundwork for the evolution of competitive gaming and esports, turning casual play into a professional arena. Tournaments and leagues began to emerge, attracting large audiences and significant sponsorships, further legitimizing gaming as a competitive sport. The online gaming boom not only changed how games were played, but also reshaped social interactions, creating a new cultural phenomenon that continues to thrive today. The rise of smartphones in the late 2000s sparked a mobile gaming revolution that transformed the gaming landscape. With the introduction of mobile gaming apps, players could enjoy games anytime and anywhere, making gaming more accessible than ever before. Titles like Angry Birds and Candy Crush Saga became cultural phenomena, attracting millions of players and demonstrating the potential of mobile platforms. These games not only provided quick, engaging gameplay, but also appealed to a broader audience, including those who may not have considered themselves traditional gamers. Mobile gaming has effectively democratized gaming, allowing people of all ages and backgrounds to participate. This shift has led to a significant increase in the gaming demographic, with casual gamers now making up a substantial portion of the market. As mobile technology continues to advance, the impact of mobile gaming on the industry will only grow, further reshaping how we experience and interact with video games. The advancements in virtual reality, VR gaming, have ushered in a new era of immersive experiences, fundamentally changing how players interact with digital worlds. The development of VR headsets like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive has made it possible for gamers to step into their favorite games, offering a level of immersion previously thought unattainable. Titles such as Beat Saber and Half-Life, Alyx have showcased the potential of VR, combining engaging gameplay with stunning visuals and intuitive controls that allow players to physically interact with their environments. As technology continues to evolve, the future of VR and gaming looks promising, with potential applications extending beyond entertainment into fields like education, training, and therapy. This expansion could redefine how we learn, work, and socialize, making VR a transformative force not just in gaming, but in various aspects of our daily lives. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun. Video games have significantly influenced culture and society, shaping narratives and fostering connections across diverse communities. The representation of diverse characters and stories in games has evolved, with titles like The Last of Us and Overwatch showcasing rich, multifaceted characters that resonate with players from various backgrounds. This inclusivity not only enriches the gaming experience, but also promotes understanding and empathy among players. Additionally, video games have emerged as powerful tools in education and social change, with serious games addressing critical issues like mental health, environmental awareness, and historical events. They engage players in meaningful ways, encouraging critical thinking and problem solving. Furthermore, the growing acceptance of gaming as a legitimate art form has led to recognition in galleries and film festivals, highlighting the creativity and craftsmanship involved in game design. As video games continue to evolve, their cultural impact will only deepen, influencing future generations and shaping societal norms. Throughout this video, we've explored the remarkable evolution of video games, tracing their journey from simple beginnings with titles like Pong to the complex, immersive experiences we enjoy today. We've examined key milestones, including the rise of arcade games, the impact of home consoles, the emergence of online gaming, and the revolutionary advancements in mobile and virtual reality gaming. Each phase has contributed to shaping the gaming landscape and expanding its cultural significance. As you reflect on your own gaming journeys and experiences, consider how these developments have influenced your perspective and enjoyment of games. We hope this exploration has sparked nostalgia and appreciation for the medium. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please subscribe, like, and share with fellow gaming enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging and informative content about the fascinating world of video games.